Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how ElevenLabs can transform your business presentations, from slide decks to narrated reports or corporate videos, and make them sound professional, clear, and polished. If you want to save time and deliver presentations that impress without needing a studio or hiring voice actors, this video's for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more useful tools and business tech tips. First, professional, consistent voiceovers. With ElevenLabs, you don't need to record your own voice or schedule a voiceover session. Instead, you paste your presentation script and choose from a selection of corporate or executive style voices that sound clear, trustworthy, and business appropriate. Because the voices generated, the tone, pacing, and pronunciation stay consistent across all slides or sections, which helps maintain a cohesive, polished feel throughout your presentation. Second, cost effectiveness and time savings. Traditional presentation narration, either doing it yourself, hiring a voice actor, or using recording facilities, can be time-consuming and expensive. ElevenLabs allows you to produce high-quality narration quickly, often in a matter of minutes, with minimal cost compared to hiring talent or investing in studio time. This makes it ideal for business teams, small companies, or freelancers who need repeated presentations or frequent updates. Third, multilingual and global reach. If your business operates internationally or you need to present to clients in different regions, ElevenLabs supports multiple languages and various accents. That means you can create localized versions of your presentation effortlessly, expanding accessibility and professionalism when addressing diverse audiences. Fourth, flexibility and quick edits. Often in business presentations, things change. Numbers, stats, wording. Instead of re-recording the whole audio, you can simply edit the script, regenerate the updated portion, and integrate it, saving lots of time. This flexibility helps especially when you work with tight deadlines or often changing content. That said, there are some cautions and best practices when using AI-generated voices for business contexts. Make sure your script is clear and well written. Avoid awkward phrasing or typos, because AI will read exactly what's there. Also, listen carefully to pronunciation, especially for names, technical terms, or industry-specific jargon. AI may mispronounce or misemphasize unfamiliar words. For high-stakes presentations, reviewing the final audio carefully before publishing or presenting is a must. Another point, while AI voices are great for narrated slides, automated reports, or training materials, they might feel a bit less human than live presenters, especially when emotional nuance or spontaneous interaction is needed. In such cases, consider mixing AI narration with occasional real voice segments for authenticity. Here's a quick workflow you can use. Write a clean script aligned with your slides, choose a business-appropriate AI voice, generate the narration, review for clarity and pronunciation, integrate with slides visuals, and export the final presentation. With this, you get professional-sounding, consistent, and polished presentations, often much faster and cheaper than traditional methods. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with colleagues or other business creators, and subscribe for more AI tool guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.